So, we will all be back at the dorm by Wednesday afternoon, right? Yes. It's been a while. We need to have a big dinner. I have a lot of things to tell you guys about my winter break. Same here, I kinda miss eating with you guys. We need to have a proper plan for this. I think whoever arrives at the dorm first should start with the preparation. What do you mean by preparation? You want us to cook an entire dinner by ourselves? Yes. That is our daily task, isn't it? Normally, yes, but I assume all of us are going to be exhausted after our long flights and hours on the train. Camilla is right. We won't have enough strength to cook. Besides, we're all coming back a little bit early. The dorm's kitchen won't be open until Friday. But we have a microwave in our room. There are dishes that we can make with a microwave. It's true, but then we would have to go to the supermarket. I'm too lazy for that. Me too. I think we should just order something. It's a lot faster and more convenient. Well, then let's go with that option. What do you guys want to eat? I heard there's a new Burger King open near campus. Can we order from there? It's going to be delivered fast. Oh, and they also have vegan options for Naomi. Sounds delicious, but unfortunately I'm on a diet, so I really can't have fast food. Really? What a shame. I've been craving burgers. Wait, I have an idea. I think we have all eaten a lot during the holidays, so why don't we order a vegan dinner to balance it down? I'm not a big fan of vegan food, to be honest, but I guess I'll give it a try. You should. Don't worry, some of them taste exactly like meat. Alright, then where should we order from? Don't choose places that are too far from our campus. Camilla, you were the one who suggested it. Do you know any good vegan restaurants around here? I only know one. It's called Bliss. But I've eaten there many times, and I can proudly say that it's the best. Great. Bella, are you fine with it? Yes, of course. Then we will wait until all of us arrive at the dorm. And after that, we can look at the menu and decide what to order together. How does that sound? That's good. I agree too. Logan, you invited the George family over for dinner this weekend, right? Yes. Is there a problem? No, I just think we should start planning it. I mean, it's Friday already. Oh, you're right. Okay, let's start. Well, for the appetizer, what do you want to eat? I like the prawn salad you made last week, but it has peanut butter in it. You know, a lot of people are allergic to peanut butter. I think so too. We don't know for sure, so let's just go for safer options. What do you think about baked potatoes? Is it too simple? No problem, I'll just add some bacon, cheese, and sour cream. We also haven't had potatoes for a while. That seems delicious. I'll wait for it. Alright, now for the main dish. This is where we have to consider carefully. Main dishes are always the most important factor of a dinner. You're absolutely right. I was thinking about steak, but I guess it's too basic, right? Indeed. I'm a chef, so the George family must have a little bit of expectation. We have to come up with something special. I think you should make some pasta. Pasta? That's one of the most common main dishes. I know, I mean making the pasta from scratch, not buying it at the store and then boiling it. It's going to take a while to do that, but I've been making it quite a lot lately, so I think it's fine. Yes, making pasta from scratch isn't easy, but I bet they'll appreciate the dish a lot. So, after I'm done making them, can you take care of the rest? Of course! Creamy chicken and spinach pasta sounds good, right? That's amazing! Great, now we're almost finished. Come up with a decent dessert and then it's all done. Dessert is easy. They have a 10-year-old daughter, and I think she would love some brownies. I'll make sure to add some fruit for balance. Are you sure she'll like it? Oh, Logan, every kid loves chocolate. They are usually the pickest eaters, so sometimes simple is better. Alright, then I'll listen to you. That's all, right? Yes. Do you mind going to the supermarket with me tomorrow? We have to go buy the ingredients. Of course, I'll drive you there. Thank you.
Hello? Hi, Isaac. It's Layla. Oh, hey, Layla. How are you this evening? Not so good, sorry to say. Oh, really? What's wrong? Are you okay? Well, I'm fine, but I was calling to see if we could postpone our date. You want to postpone our date? Yeah, Lonnie has a dental appointment and she can't cancel it. Oh, I see. But it does not sound important. It's rather important. So, when do you want to postpone our date to? Is Friday okay? Friday? This Friday? The day after tomorrow? Yes, is that okay? Yeah, that's great. I was so happy. I thought you were going to postpone it longer. No way. I've really been looking forward to going out to dinner with you and Matthew. And Lonnie? I know she's been looking forward to it too. That's great. Can you please tell Matthew if you see him? Yeah, sure. I'll tell Matthew that. We've postponed our dinner until Friday. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Oh, thank you too. Bye. Bye. Matthew, we've postponed our dinner until Friday. Friday? Okay, no problem. I'm glad they called. Because you like Lonnie? Well, yes, but I forgot to make a reservation. Whoops. Yeah, I'll call and make a reservation now. Good evening. Chateau de Mi. Hello. I'd like to make a reservation, please. Yes, sir. For what day? Friday? Friday? Yes, sir. How many people in your party? 4 people. 2 men and 2 women. Very good for you, sir. What time would you like the reservation for? We will arrive at 7 p.m. I'm afraid I do not have anything available for 7 p.m., sir. Oh, no. I do have a table available for 7:30 p.m. Oh, 7:30? That would be great. Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking? Non-smoking, please. Thank you. Your name, please, sir? Felfer. Felfer Isaac. Very good, Mr. Felfer. You'll have a reservation for 7:30 p.m. this Friday, non-smoking. Great. Thank you so much. My pleasure, sir. This is a nice restaurant. Yes, thank you for inviting us. I heard the food was delicious. This is the nicest restaurant I've been to in my life. Matthew, do you have your gift ready? Yes, Isaac, I do. Layla, Lonnie, Matthew and I have gifts for you. Oh, you shouldn't have. Well, we decided flowers are too boring, and chocolate will make you fat. So we put our heads together to come up with some really exciting gifts. You guys are so kind. Yes, you two are very thoughtful. Matthew, would you like to go first? Yes, Isaac, don't mind if I do. Layla, this is for you. A goldfish? No, not a goldfish. It's an Oscar fish. Well, thank you, I think. When it gets bigger, It eats the goldfish. That's disgusting. Wow, that's cool. Now for you, Lonnie. What's this? Some sort of dartboard? Isaac, you're so handsome in your picture. So, what do you think? Do you like your gift? Well, I really like the fish, Layla. I really like your picture, Lonnie. The dinner was delicious. And the company was excellent. I'm glad you like your picture, Layla. Yes, I really do. Thank you. I like my fish. I can't wait to feed it. So, do you have a name for it yet? No, not yet, but I'll think of one soon. Isn't life funny? Yes, especially the way you like Lonnie, but I like you. And Lonnie likes me, but I like you. It makes me dizzy just thinking about it. Wait, I'm confused. I don't know whether I like Isaac or Matthew. I think I like Isaac. So, such a nice dinner. We'll have to do it again. Next time, Lonnie and I will get gifts for you. And don't forget that it's okay to trade with each other. Well, such a nice time this evening. I have to thank you all for a wonderful time. Let's make a toast to everybody liking everybody else and a beautiful friendship. May it last forever. Cheers! Mary has a big date next Saturday. Oh, really? I'm meeting my classmate. Yes, her classmate Eric is in London. Does he look like Bruce Lee? Eric? No, I'm not really. Well, Harry, why don't you go along with them? Yes, you can come too. Oh, sorry, I can't. I'm going away for the weekend. You are? I am. Where are you going? I'm going to Boulogne. Where is Boulogne? It's in France, on the west coast. Who are you going with? I'm going with my classmates, David and John and Sam, if he's better. When are you leaving? We're flying Friday night. Oh, that would be nice. And where will you be staying? In a hotel? No, David's mother has a house there. Ah, well, I hope you have a good time. Thank you, Agatha. I'm sure we will. When are you coming back? We're coming back on Sunday afternoon. Marvelous. I just had another great idea. What is it? Well, why don't you bring Mary along too? She can still get a cheap ticket. Oh, but it's impossible. Yes, impossible. Why is it impossible? You'll have a lovely time. Lots of fun. I have to work on Saturday. And I'm meeting Eric too. Oh, that's right. I forgot. What a pity. Yes, sorry, Mary. Oh, it's okay. Well, maybe next time. Oh, Harry, can you buy me some of that lovely brie and bouillon? There's this enormous market there.
Of course. Anything else?
Well, actually,
No. I won't have much time for shopping.
what else are you going to do there?
We're going to see some buildings and galleries. And if the weather's nice, I'm going to do some drawing.
Oh, I want to see your drawings.
Sure, I can show you the ones from school today.
Tomorrow, please. I'm very tired now. Oh, sweetheart, go and get some rest. It's a big day tomorrow.
Yes, if you like, I can take you to school in the morning.
Oh, thank you. That is very kind. Bye. Hello? Hello, Thomas. It's Thomas. Hello, sweetheart.
Good night, Layla.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mrs. Brogan. How are you this morning?
Not very well. I slept poorly.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Do you have any messages for me?
Let me check. This is for you, Mrs. Brogan. It just arrived this morning.
Thank you. Oh, this is bad news. I'm going to have to fly to Parksville. My husband isn't able to meet me here.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm going to go back upstairs and pack my bags. Could you get my bill ready? I want to charge it to Brogan Enterprises, as usual.
Yes, Mrs. Brogan.
Thank you. I'll be ready in half an hour.
Oh, she was in a rush. Yes, Mrs. Brogan is usually in a hurry. Good morning, ma'am. How may I help you?
I'm Mrs. Sarah Rafferty in room 126, and I'd like to check out.
Oh, okay, Mrs. Rafferty. Just one moment, and I'll get your bill for you. I hope you had a pleasant stay here.
Yes, we have. Thank you.
In addition to the charge for the 2 nights, you'll see that there is a charge for a couple of local phone calls you made, as well as a call to Rapid City.
Yes, we made those calls.
Okay, then if everything is in order, please sign here. Can I get you a cab?
No, thank you. We're going to take the shuttle to the airport.
Okay, have a nice trip, and I hope we will see you again at the Grand Plaza.
Thank you very much.